So hey YouTube, I'm back. What's up, University? Okay, so I think I got the niche. I don't know if I got the niche. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Um, but the question was, Lisa, are you starting a business on YouTube? How are you going to do that? Then normally, when you go to work, nobody knows what you're doing. And my boss was, well, don't mention the business now. Just do what you got to do. But people know. I mean, I'm all over the place. I'm in YouTube, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. I don't think anybody should be shamed. Don't be shamed to go out there and do what you have to do. You might have to struggle to get that business to where you want it to get. How different is it building a YouTube channel? Um, is it from building a regular business? It's the same thing. Why we can't just try to do both in that same arm? You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll get more sales. Maybe I'll get to know more people. Maybe I can advise more people. Maybe I can give more people motivation. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. We can do what we want to do. Uh, you know, if I can build up the channel, I can get more subscribers. And when I say more subscribers, it's not just about getting 1,000 subscribers. I want an audience. Yep, I'm that little girl that's in the street that always want attention. I always want attention. I always want attention. I always want attention. You know what I'm saying? But not in that format. I'm educated through the roof. But what is the sense of being educated through the roof if you can't give it back? I want to give it back to 1 million people. Let me show y'all what I know. And that's like I was telling my sister the other day, I love public school, high school, junior high school. I was so popular then. I had so much fun. All of my friends, and a lot of them are, on my Facebook, my personal Facebook. Everybody's on there. I post stuff on there too. Things that I want public, I put public. When I want just friends, I leave it as friends. But yeah, uh, go with me on the journey. Subscribe to my channel. One of my niches is growing my channel and you know, doing my business. I'm going to do the curriculum. Uh, the orientation, like I said, I put it on there. But I had to shoot this out, and I'm gonna tell you right now, the YouTube thing. I'm telling you, I'm posting like crazy. You know what I've done? I have the PowerPoints, and you just see me designing them and just using some of my creativity. Now I know when my son got some of that from me. He didn't get it all from his dad. He got some of it from me. You should see me getting creative just on PowerPoint. I have the Canva and everything and the Adobe and the designer stuff, but I got to do what's easy for me. When I become that master, I'll probably start using all that stuff. But you have to do what you have to do. Do your YouTube. I didn't get back to you yet, but I'm getting back to you as soon as I finish this video because I'm gonna post this at 5 o'clock. Do what you do naturally. Build your. This is what I'm doing. I'm building my YouTube channel like a business for me because I'm saying it like a business because I'm putting in a lot of time. That's why my arm is hurting. That's why this one is hurt. My sister thinks I have carpal tunnel, but it's not. It's not carpal tunnel. It's something here and something here. But that's why I back up some. I'm not on all day and all night. I'm telling you, when you have a business, you're eating and sleeping, and you got. I got to get to this one. I got to mail this up. I got to do that. I got to do this. I got to do that. And I'm up at 5 o'clock because by 3 I don't. Oh shoot! I got to do this. I got to do that. I have to make sure I have everything for marketing. And when I get that email and somebody says they want cardiovascular, I got to get it ready, get it packed, get it ready, get it packed. None of my sister come in here, she boxes all over the place. Get it ready, get it back. Y'all know what it is. When I get an email or whatever, the flash drive is in here. I put it in here, and this goes out. That gets mailed out immediately. The people want to start their course. So YouTube, I'm still working on how to go at it, but I'm telling you right now, those of you who are trying to build a business just like me, how do we do it? I don't know yet, but look at some of our videos. Maybe some of my videos is helping you to figure out what you can do. I try to do everything I can to boost up the business, and you have to have help because if you're not working during the day and you're trying to put 100 into your business, you got to get money from somewhere. You have to be able to survive, because they got to ride with you. One of my friends, Pat, He told me he was down for like 4 or 5 years. You know, if it wasn't for his mother and his father, he wouldn't have made it. He wouldn't have made it. He was down. He was down. He started getting depressed. He started so and so. And he's like an inspiration to me too. You know, when you're building a business, you have to do it. Do it. That's what, that's what I do. You know, my next thing is I'm gonna start making me, and this is not YouTube, but you guys are the business, and then I got the YouTube. In the business, I say maybe next week I'm going to start building me a list of who's going to give me those grants, who's got the grants for the black owned business, who's got the grants for educationists, who's got the grants for people who are instructors. Okay, so that's what it's about, moving forward and getting what you got to get. So that's where we're going. We're going with this, but YouTube, make YouTube your business. I heard that in one of the videos. And watch YouTube. You got to watch YouTube. I don't care who you like or who you don't like or who you want to watch. Look at it for 5 seconds. If you learn something from that video, you good. I learn every time I turn on a video. I learn something when I watch a video. The only thing I don't like is when I watch a video and I can't subscribe to these people from TV. Because a lot of times I turn all the phones off. I don't even know, one there, one over there. I turned them off. Because my time is over at 7. I'm available from 7 to 7 every day. Well, not Sunday now. Sunday and Saturday, my hours are different. Again, the schedule will tell you that. I'm going to make a schedule for the YouTube University so people can see the schedule. But again, you guys should see me. I'm finding these thoughts, and just like I'm at work when I need to come up with something for revenue cycle. I need to come up with something for VPs. So I'm like, okay, let's do that. That's a video. That's a video. And then you know what I do so I don't forget? I make a PowerPoint, and I got a PowerPoint with all my thumbnails on them. So I don't forget, and I make them pretty. I love them so much. I just go out and just put them out there. But I'm telling you right now, I've made over 20 thumbnails, and I gotta take the thumbnail and give you more than what's in the thumbnail. That's what they said. You put your thumbnail up. When they come on your channel, give them what you know. If you say cardiovascular, what about it? What about it? You tell me what about it. That's what I do. I need to go all out with it. If I find a YouTube, this is what I do. Look at some of my other videos. I got over 100 videos on it. I think I did cardiology, a couple of specialties, and I think I got some videos posted in there. But this is how I'm going to do mine. So those of you who are listening, I don't know if you teach what I teach, but I teach medical billing, medical terminology, coding, physiology, sociology. I teach all that. I teach all that in my course. And I love to have pictures in my series. I've got a medical billing and coding series. It's 18 series. That's 18 books. I have that on Amazon. And I have the book Medical Billing and Coding Q&A. So look at some of my further YouTube videos. You guys will see all of that. But as far as YouTube, my brain is ticking. My brain is ticking. I don't know if it's the niche, because I'm still trying to define that. Yeah, I've got 2 master's degrees, and I'm still trying to figure out what to. Okay, so they keep saying niche. Is this it? Is this the niche? Is this it? When you start posting it, you just posting crazy, then all the stuff just starts spitting out. Because when I start, you can't shut me up. Sometimes I just go on and on. Sometimes I'm at work, I just go on and on and on. And I tell myself, okay, end the meeting and keep it moving. I do that in class too, but that's business. That's business. That's work. That's business. This is YouTube. This is YouTube. So whoever said, and I'm gonna keep saying it. If they say we're too old again, I'm gonna do a somersault. Okay, I ain't gonna do no somersault, but how about a hula hoop thing? I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to do a hula hoop thing, but we just got to get together. And I'm not gonna lie. This is for you. I think, Carla, it takes a lot. I am not like. I mean, I wish I had that video. I'm gonna find that video of that dude, and he cracked me up. You should have seen him. He had all this stuff coming over his head. This is us doing the business. Same thing in YouTube. Same thing. And you see this thing behind me, that picture booth? I have to take pictures of each one of my products every time I send them out. No, not every time I send them out. Every time I create a new website, I have to take pictures and put on there. I rearrange them. I take at least eight or nine pictures. I haven't put any on YouTube. Maybe I should do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how to. I don't know if you have a business or if you guys are just have the YouTube, but I'll show you that anyway. I'll do like a slide of how I do my product, and I'll show you guys my books. And you guys can, do what you like, but this is just helping you out. You guys are helping me and I'm helping you out. Let's everybody just help each other out. That's Black Phoenix Team Us. That's what Black Phoenix Team Us is. It's each one teach one. So I just had to come on and say that, because you guys should see me. And this is just recently, the last week or so. All of a sudden, I'm like, boom, 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 boom. And then I even say, where is this coming from? Because I'm getting closer to my destination. So it's not that I just woke up last week and said, I'm going to do YouTube. I've been doing the YouTube since COVID. That's what started me doing the YouTube. When COVID came, it was like I was 100 into the YouTube. COVID came, it was a wrap. I was like, I got to do something. You just home all day, and you're just like, okay, if I can do my courses online, I can do YouTube online. So that's how I came about to doing the YouTube and started putting more force in it. Because when we came up with this, with the idea to do the course, I didn't know anything about YouTube, really. The kids did, I guess, but that's back when I was in North Carolina for many years, when I was a director at the school over there. I started out as a teacher. I started out as a medical billing and coding instructor. And then I got promoted to team leader, instructor team leader. And then I got promoted to director. So, and then my mom wasn't well, so I had to move back to New York. And then it is what it is, Then I started doing the corporate office, repping cycle, XYZ, the billing, the coding, directorship. But I want to do this too, okay? And I've always had my own business to build it up how I want. I have my business now how I want it. I have my business now how I want it. Now it's time to pull them in. Pull them in. Pull them in. I can pull them in. I can pull them in. I've got thousands and thousands of hospitals. You see what I'm saying? YouTube has thousands and thousands and millions of people who watch YouTube. So I'm kind of thinking it in that type of aspect. You should think like that too. Think like it's your job. Put that time in it. Put that time in it. Now, you won't see me running around the block and tripping over stuff and doing all kind of stuff like that. But we got to find other stuff. The only thing that I'm not really getting about the YouTubes is that they talk about, what they do. I don't hear any educational training. If you are educated and you're trying to do YouTube, do this. I hear a lot about, whatever's going on in the world, put it out there. They're gonna watch that. The president gets arrested. Talk about that immediately. Everybody's gonna look at. I'm not really interested in all that kind of stuff. I'm interested in what I want to do. Tell me how to grow my channel as an educator, as a teacher, as somebody who's motivated. Tell me, how do I grow my channel like that? I don't know how to do all that other stuff. But anyway, this is 15 minutes in. I wanted to just kind of throw this out to you. Start doing it like that. Tell people what you know. I mean, we can always, get data from a computer and put it in the system. And we can use, audio and different things like that. And I saw something today with like a voice enhancer, I guess to make me talk more natural like that or something. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna get one. I can't wait to get it, because sometimes y'all know I get tongue twisted out. Sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's an understatement. Y'all know that's a lie. So that's what I think. I'm gonna try to be myself. I'm gonna try to tell you what I know, and you know, what I spit out. I don't have my cue in front of me that I started making. This is just something I just said I want to just kind of put out there right now. I had like an epiphany to put one of my PowerPoints on. But I'm gonna put this PowerPoint out there because I thought it was funny. I thought it was related to when they say find your niche, find your niche. Is that it? Is that the niche? When you start just posting, I'm like posting crazy. I don't know. So, you know, that's why I can't wait till I get totally coordinated. Once I get all of my stores in order, I know I'm gonna start spitting out stuff. I'm gonna start spitting out stuff. But once I go back 8 hours full time, I don't know how that's gonna work. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Okay. So let's shut this down. I would try to drink that, but somehow I got like a dry throat for a minute. But you guys know I don't drink stuff during, you know, these videos. But again, watch me get them better. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.